Upgrading your profile on Serv as a service provider, it is easy, and I'm gonna show you just how to do that. Now, first thing first, you wanna make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you wanna make sure that you go to your dashboard. That's gonna take you to profile. Now, as a basic member on Serv, you're gonna see this button here that says upgrade profile. You wanna click on it. After you clicked on it, it's gonna take you to where you're gonna be shown two options that we have for paid members, which is premium and standard. In this video, I'm just gonna choose premium and continue with upgrade. Now, once I'm here, you have an option to take a yearly plan or a yearly option that is gonna give you 30% off, or you can take a month to month where you're gonna pay 200 a month, right? It's gonna be the annual one, and if you have a coupon code, you can add it here. Now you're gonna continue with my listing. Now this is to confirm that you are going to pay this amount, and this is gonna be for the year. Now once you're happy with everything, you're gonna click here on continue upgrade. Once you click here, it's gonna redirect you to where you're gonna be adding your banking details, in this case, which is pay fast, right? So once you are here, and after you added everything and the purchase is successful, you're gonna be redirected to your profile, and your account now is no longer gonna show basic, but it's gonna show the premium plan that you are upgraded to. All right, cool. This is how you upgrade your account on Serv.